विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः।
A very warm welcome to all the viewers. I am Gauri Pillai and it is my privilege to welcome you all to the virtual valedictory function of Akanksha 2020, a national level online intercollegiate cultural fest hosted by Dr. Baluben Mahendra Nanavati College of Home Science Autonomous, also called as Dr. BMN College of Home Science. Dr. BMN College of Home Science has been NAAC re-accredited with a grade A+ and a CGPA score of 3.6 out of 4. It has also received the title College with Potential for Excellence by the University Grants Commission. It has also received the Best College Award 2016-17 adjudged by SNDT Women's University. Dr. BMN College of Home Science is a multi-faculty institution. It is one of the 8 colleges under the umbrella of Seva Mandal Education Society. We are located at Srimati Parmeshwari Devi Gordhan Das Garodia Educational Complex, Matunga, Mumbai. The primary objective of our college is empowerment of women through quality in education. Our college strives to achieve this motto through its various initiatives, and the Intercollegiate Festival Akanksha is one such platform created by our college. I would now like to welcome Akanksha Sawant, who will tell you all more about the Intercollegiate Fest Akanksha. Thank you.
Thank you for the start, Gauri. Hello everyone, I am Akanksha Sawant here to talk about Akanksha 2020. Akanksha is an extremely popular event which draws a very enthusiastic response from large number of colleges in Mumbai. This year, Akanksha was different. In view of circumstances of the COVID-19 pandemic, we tried to spread our wings through the medium of technology. And this technology has infused us with the hope of reaching far and wide. This year, a lot of events have been life-changing. Hope is what motivates us and keeps us going, helps us to have a positive outlook towards life. And so, we hope together, we hope as one. Given the circumstances, our hope was to make this an intercollegiate national event. This year, our theme was Hope for a Better Tomorrow. Akanksha 2020 was conducted from 1st August to 5th August. And with pride, I would like to say that we have made it a success. We received participation of total 96 colleges with a total number of more than 800 registration for the festival, coming from all across the country. The events of Akanksha 2020 were classified into 3 categories. Under the literary category, we had events like essay, script writing, poetry, shairi, writing in English and Hindi, and a quiz. In the performing category, we had events like dancing, singing, rap, yoga, and short film. In the arts and style category, we had events like Best Out of West, tattoo art, vegetable carving, painting, and homemade mask making. We have with us our constant support, without whom executing this event would have been difficult. Requesting Dr. Professor Mala Pandurang, our principal, to address the viewers.
Hello everybody and welcome to the valedictory function of Akanksha 2020. The theme of our intercollegiate festival was appropriately Hope for a Better Tomorrow, because it is only the sense of hope that has kept us positive and ever ready to meet all the challenges that have come our way during the lockdown period. My compliments to the Students Organizing Committee for taking Akanksha online and national, which is a milestone for our institution. We've had a wonderful participation of 885 participants, with 91 colleges registering, 51 from Mumbai, 19 colleges from other parts of Maharashtra, and 15 from other states in India. My congratulations to all the prize winners and participants also for the exciting display of creativity. Indeed, we look forward to welcoming you back next year for Akanksha 2021.
Thank you very much, Mala ma'am, for your addressal to the viewers. Now is finally the time which we all have been waiting for, the announcement of the winners. I would like every viewer to note down that the video link for the announcement of winners for each category is given in the description of this video. There is a separate link for each category. We wish all the winners a hearty congratulations.
Apart from the category event winners, we also have winners for the overall college trophy. The winners for overall college trophy of Akanksha 2020 goes to Leelabai Thakursi College of Nursing, SNDT University, Churchgate, Mumbai. With the total number of 241 registration, wins the title of overall college trophy. Congratulations, we look forward for a strong participation. We also have in-house overall class trophy, and the class trophy goes to class of TYND. Thank you for your enthusiastic participation. Congratulations to all the participants.
Akanksha 2020 wouldn't have been a success without its enthusiastic participation. And so, each and every participant would be receiving an e-certificate. Winners of each and every event category need to collect their certificates and trophies once the college reopens. To be updated on the reopening dates of the college, please visit our website www.bmncollege.com. The prizes of the winners who are located outside Mumbai will be couriered. I would now like Sakshi Mhatre to conclude this virtual valedictory function by presenting the vote of thanks. Thank you.
Creativity is contagious. One cannot cage it, even in the lockdown. I, Sakshi Mhatre, on behalf of Dr. BMN College of Home Science, would like to propose my sincere gratitude towards each and every person associated with Akanksha 2020, our national online intercollegiate cultural fest. The aim of Akanksha 2020 was to give an online platform to all the talented students across the nation. Our theme, Hope for a Better Tomorrow, was an initiative to spread positivity. We are extremely grateful to our principal, Dr. Professor Mala Pandurang ma'am, for giving us constant motivation and for inspiring us. Special thanks to our management for supporting us. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff members for being the pillars of this fest. I thank all the judges for giving their precious time and for supporting us throughout. A very hearty congratulations to all the winners and participants of Akanksha 2020. And last but not the least, kudos to the whole team of Akanksha 2020 for making the event successful and for giving in 100% efforts. Thank you so much.